Okay, cool. Same thing as before. I'm going to distribute. Remember, this is 625 raised to the first power. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I'm going to kind of push it through the parentheses like this. All right, so on that next line, what I end up with is 625, right? And we're going to end up with 1 times 5 over 4, because that's what the property is, times v, that's not a very good v raised to the 4 times 5 over 4. Now to do this math, I'm going to put the whole numbers over 1. Remember, when you multiply by a fraction, you multiply the numerator by the numerator and the denominators by the denominator. So on my next line, I'm going to end up with 625 raised to the 5/4, 5 over 4, times, now over here the 4's will cancel, it'll just be v to the 5th. Remember, it's going to be your power over the root. In other words, I'm going to take the 4th root of 625. Anybody have a guess what they think the 4th root of 625 is? If you were to guess? Okay, good. So we don't know, but basically what we want to do is we want to figure out what number can I multiply by itself 4 times that'll give me 625. Now you guys haven't memorized this, so I'll just go through the process. So I'm going to say 2 raised to the 4th power. That's not it. 3 raised to the 4th power. Closer, but that's not it. 4 raised to the 4th power. Closer yet, but that's not it. But 5 raised to the 4th power. That's it. Okay. So what we're doing is we see that 6 raised to the, not 6, 5, that was the last problem, 5 raised to the 4th power equals 625. So in the next line, what I'm going to do is I'm going to say 5 raised to the 4th power and substitute that in for my 625. So I'm going to take the 4th root of 5 to the 4, raise that to the 5th power, and multiply that by v to the 5th. Okay? While the 4th root and the 4th power undo each other, so I'm left with just my 5, but we can't forget raised to the 5th power times v to the 5th power. Now 5 to the 5th power is a crazy wonky number. Basically it's 625 times 5, but I think that's 3125 or something, but let's just do it in the calculator. 5 raised to the 5th power. Yeah, 3125. And so that's our final answer. 3125 v to the 5th power. Is that one of our options? I think so. Yeah, right here, B. Okay? Any questions on that one? All right. Let me zoom out. And I will